about this is how happy this guy is. Skippy, Skippy, Skippy! Ooh, look, like, how many people can say they walk through glass? Like, go ahead. All right, let me ask you something, Justin. Do you own any pets?
I do.
What do you got?
I have a dog. And I had a snake, but I don't have one anymore.
What happened?
I sold it for charity.
What does a beaver snake go for?
I think it pause, bro.
Thank you. What does a beaver snake get in a charity auction?
I think it went for like 10,000.
That is unbelievable. Man, I lost it. And what kind of dog you got?
Papillon.
Does it ever act like you or a human?
Yeah. It can go to the bathroom and toilet.
Of course, Justin Bieber's dog doesn't even need to go outside. It just... Cool, Biebs, we're back out. All right. Okay, well, this next category here is all about animals acting human. Human animals.
Dog. Dog. Hi. You're cute.